Hey, what's happening, guys? All right, so today I've got to work on a knife for somebody that is, the tip of it's broken. It needs a new handle, obviously. There's a little piece of wood dangling there, so I'm gonna have to cut that stuff out. But yeah, apparently this knife means something to the guy, so I'm gonna see what I can do. And that is pretty much the plan. Here we go. All right, so I've been sitting here editing for long enough. It looks a little bit of something like this. And now I'm showing video of me editing. And yeah. So anyway, yeah, we'll close this one down and I will finish the video or the rest of the handle tomorrow and I'll just make that a part 2. I'm tired. Yeah, have a good night. Bye. And then roll the intro, the extra.
Outro? Outro. Roll outro.